channel again. Dito kami sa Blue Mountain. Kaso walang blue. Ay, grabe lamig. Mag-i-ski kami ngayon. Tadadaan! Tadadaan! Look at guys. Titingnan pa natin kung magkano upa ngayon. Magre-rent kami ngayon. And first time, mag-tutor mo na. Hindi ko alam kung may available. Sasama ko dun sa mga kids mamaya. Kids. First time. Yan si Ate Nati.
Hello.
Okay, mga Canadian citizen na po yan dito. Nag-car kami dito, mga 2 hours yung biyahe from Toronto. So dito kami ngayon, mga 2 hours. I-check natin ngayon kung magkano ang bayad. Nag-start na sila. Late na kami dumating. Ay.
Yun ang big deeper dapat.
Kanya-kanya kami ngayon ng mga laro.
Yun ang big deeper.
Saan tayo? Ako ski ako. Wala. Magkano?
Ah.
Magre-rent pa ako ng... Dito
Doon
na
tayo
ta.
mag-rent out.
Okay, tara, let's go. Ano, mauna ako doon? Okay. So, let's go. Yun na. I'm so excited. Excited. Sa atin. So, dito yung mga rentahan. Okay. Ayan, may renta na po guys. Tayo pupunta. Rent. Blue Mountain Supply, Red Devil Sports. May ticketing dito. Activity Central. Ticket. So, excuse me. Sit. Dito muna siguro. You need to buy ticket. Okay. Night left. Okay. Hindi ko pa maintindihan.
Norm, you have a piece of tape in there? No tape? Not even a little...
Hi. Ski?
Okay, so you're gonna go in through the double doors inside this building. They do the tickets, the rentals, everything at the same time.
Okay,
In
there?
this building, the next set of double doors.
Ah, okay daw. Next level double door. Dito. So, iba yun dun, guys. Ay! Dito! Mga equipments. Dito tayo pipila. Ay, nandiyan na. So, dito tayo, guys. Yan ang day 3. Yan yung schedule of opening, attractions. So, dito yung pila. How much the rent? Okay, I will rent all. I spent $147. Okay, started training pa yan with Teach and gear. Yung sapatos, helmet. Yung damit ko, okay na. Okay. Kasama na yung tax dyan, guys. So, guys, yun yung shoes ko. Punta na tayo dun sa fixed area. Okay. Oh, nandito na sila. Oh my God. Let's go. So excited. Ay? I need to wear shoes first? Ah, okay, okay. Wear shoes muna tayo, guys. Ha? Ay. Goes here. Okay. It's hard to inside. Biro. Ah! Ano ba na? More. More. Guys. Doon pa lang. Ilang minuto na ako. Siguro mga 15 minutes mag-prepare sa sapatos, sa locker, sa damit mo. Ngayon, magla-line up na naman tayo para sa school. Yung pagsuot ko pala ng sapatos, ang tagal parang robot. Ganito pala maging astronaut. Ang hirap maglakad. Tapos, pila pa lang. Aga-agahan nyo na, guys. Bilis-bilisan nyo paglagay ng shoes. Pipila ka dito, siguro 10 minutes waiting. Oh my God. After pila, magpapaturo ka pa. Diyos ko, Lord. Ubus na oras ko.
Yeah, push yourself. Yeah, slide.
There you go. All right, please, 940.
Move forward, okay?
So, welcome everybody to the step to the left.
Push forward. What do you feel? What happened?
Stop. Huh? Like that?
Yeah. Show me.
You feel sturdy?
What happens? The heel, look at me. And I can push them away. This is very important. We want to do this with the skis later on. Okay? You need to be able to lean forward, push the heels away.
Going to add one little thing. We're going to have you do little exercises in a second, but I'm going to give you a view of why you're going to do this little exercise. Very shortly, we're going to show you how to do this with your skis. Okay, so doing this with our skis is the next thing you're going to learn. The way you're going to do it first is, Matt's going to show you how to do it without your skis on by twisting your feet. So go ahead.
Yeah, exactly. So you need to feel comfortable doing this. Lean forward, okay? Push the heels away, push the heel away. Yeah, that's good, my lean. Yeah, that's, you need to feel comfortable doing this. Yeah. Move them. Okay, now.
You might get better balance if you put that.
Ah, okay.
Military service. So this is really about giving ourselves balance.
Okay, now we have to go up.
Sure.
How many do we have? Five?
Ang haba ng pila dito, guys. Ay, grabe. Beginners so haba. Kailangan talaga mga ilang araw ka dito. Check-in ka dyan sa hotel, oh. If you have so many money, can't afford. It's too expensive. Parang 5-star din yung mga price nila, eh. Siguro mga 10K up sa peso. Hindi ko alam kung ilang tao. Coming na, guys. Kailangan ko ng... Hindi siya nakakapagod. Kailangan din picturean yung code number nyo para kung in case nga ma-misplace o mawala, pwede siyang papalitan. Pakita nyo lang yung code number nyo. Grabe ang pila dyan, guys. Pag gusto mo sumakay na dyan kung doon ka na sa mga pataas na ski. Pero kailangan ka na dyan expert na. Kailangan maaga-aga ka na rin dyan mag-start.
Kung meron ka ng sarili mo, marunong ka na, mas mabilis na. Kasi starting pa lang kasi ako eh. Kaya pila-pila, tiis-tiis. So, ang sarap pa rin guys kung matuto ka talaga. Another adventure. Kaya ingat-ingat na lang sa mga bones natin. Pero safe naman siya kahit natumba ako. Nasabit pa nga ako eh. Yung sapatos naman niya, mataas naman siya eh. Kaya yun yung for safety niya kahit matumba ka. Eh kung hindi naman safe, wala na sana dyan nag-i-ski. Tignan mo, all age nga nag-i-ski dyan. Kahit may matanda, nag-i-ski pa nga dyan eh. Hindi yan din iiwan kung magpapahinga ka, ilagay lang dyan. Tapos may mga kanya-kanyang code number yan. I-lock nyo na lang siya kasi baka mawala. Magbabayad ka. So, careful lang din sa mga gamit mo. Huwag din mag-ano.
Oh, wow. Oh, this kid can ski now. So cool. Oh, ang galing niyo. Ay, I need how many days here to stay? Wow.
Going up again?
Whoa! So cool. Wow! Ba't ang galing nila? So cool. Wow, itong mga bata to, mas magaling pa sa akin. Oh my God. So crazy. Dito, mayroong first aid stations. So, dito may mga hotels. So, nabalutan ko to ng hotels. So, you need to book early here, guys, for lang, ano mo na, winter vacation. Ang laki ng snow nila dito. Share with your experience social. Facebook. Punta tayo sa ibang lugar. Mayroon din silang resort shuttle. So guys, ito yung pila ngayon. Papunta dun sa yung parang may balloon. Big Dipper Snow Tubing. So, kailangan yung maaga pumunta dito. Haba ng pila. Ayan yung pila. Okay. Mountain Village. Ito siguro yung pag summer. Yung mga resort dito. Dito si pag summer. Maraming malalaroan. Let's check. Ay, may swimming pool. Sa loob. Wow. Yun, may pool. Ayun, hot spring.
Hey, calm down.
Wow, may pool. Ay, I wish I can afford there someday. Unlimited na lang yung pera mo ba. Wow! Magic! guys. Oh. Picture muna ka dito. So, dito naman, ang dami food. May pizza. So, tapos coffee shop. Rocky Chocolate Factory. Wow. Daming pagkain. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry sa food dito. Affordable din naman yung food dito eh. Tim Hortons. Yan ang pinaka-the best coffee sa Canada. May roots. So, you look at guys. Oh, Colombia, may mga sports company. Damit. Yan, burger chucks. MJ Bernice. Wow, gano'n kayo pagkain dyan. Copper Blues. Yung mga french fries siguro dito ah. What's the food inside? Oh my god, it's burgers. Unlimited food. Lock your ano daw. 40s. Copper Blues, Bar and Grill. May na rin tirahan sa taas. May Starbucks. MJ Burns. Starbucks coffee. Okay. Fred Mountain, Gelatin, Angel Burgers, Protein. Oh, Pampa Beauty, Riverdales. Huh, may ice cream din. Oh no. Okay, we're done guys. I need to go back to the car. Pagod na yung mga house. So here, ang dami niyo pang pagpipilian. Tacos, great cookies, and the parking lot. Mas maganda kung maaga kayo dito mag-park. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So dito, advice ko is kailangan nyo maaga para may parking lot kasi malapit. Pag late na kayo, doon na kayo sa doon. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel and share guys. And see you for my next vlog. Bye!